Hey, viewers.
Welcome, viewers.
Whoa. Forgotten where we are. Welcome.
I'm not really streaming.
Another episode of Cosmic Calendar Craft.
Yeah, we're getting so close. So I need to plug in the battery. One sec. Professional as always.
Yeah, I also haven't organized my window properly. Okay, it's only 9 o'clock now anyway. So, where did we get last week? Or last Thursday, it was very exciting. We actually got to the website, which initially this bit wasn't working properly, so it was only doing unsecure HTTP, and that meant the images didn't work. But now things have happened in the background while we were gone. So if we type in a real date that we've got content for, we get results, and we've got the images for the things that are available.
Oh, nice.
So in exactly 1 year's time, it will be Year 5, Season of Creative Fire, Day 52. Time of the inventory, 16. What does it matter? Choice, predetermination. You are here, aren't you? We got a special episode today. We have a special guest joining us. Mystic Maria.
I'm very excited for Mystic Maria to. So yes, I will put one in the chat as well. Shall we wait a while for Mystic Maria until we've got some more viewers?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I told her we probably wouldn't. She wouldn't be needed for 15 minutes. Yeah, we could just crack on with whatever we want to do today. First thing.
So we were going to. I think we were going to look at fonts, weren't we? Because our fonts are not quite the same.
Yeah, I've got a list of things that were brought to our attention. The fact that it breaks during typing in invalid dates, the fonts are broken, and it doesn't redirect properly, or maybe
Hello, Stargrove with us.
It does redirect properly. I think maybe this didn't work last time, and now it does. So actually, one of those things. Yeah, it does redirect, so that bit's fixed, which is cool. Stargrove is here. Hello, Stargrove. Yeah, so there's the fonts. Should we solve that then? Fine, let's do it. So when we look at our preview here.
Let's solve the fonts.
If we fast forward this one. Yeah, the fonts are like this. Oh yeah, and we've got that Gothic font there. Neither of those. Oh, I've lost this one as well. Neither of those are true here. Now I remember when we put the fonts that there was a bit more to it. We've got link rel pre-connect. I don't know what that means, but. Yeah, okay, so there's just, I think we're just missing this styling. Oh, I even called it fonts. So that needs to be updated. So I think we're just missing this block. And in fact, we already had a style sheet. This is not a style sheet, this is a HTML thing. So actually, if I remove that, I think this one is a... Let's just convert this one to a HTML cell, and that broke everything. And then put the fonts in there. and then instantiate like that. Will that work? Yes. Okay, that works now. That works now here. And then this thing should update automatically, but there is like several time delays involved. Oh, look. Yeah, done. Boom! That was easier than I thought.
Oh, nice. Oh, that was quick.
Okay, scratch one off the
Yes.
to-do.
So I still have to. I've got some jobs I've not done.
Let me do another to-do, right? So the other complaint was when we put in an invalid date here, like while it's transitioning, it sort of goes wrong until we get a correct date in, and then it all works again. So we want to make sure this only accepts dates of that form. I've forgotten how to do that. So observable inputs, text validation, text input. Oh look, validate a function to check whether the text input is valid. Okay. So we need a, what was it? Validate a function that takes a value and says whether it's valid or not. I don't actually know what that should be either. Where does this get used? Focus data. We find it has to match exactly because we're looking it up from the spreadsheet. So it needs to be that exact value with no wiggle room. So I think the easiest way to validate that is with a regex.
Regex.
Yeah. So if we take a string and try and match something, I always get those ones the wrong way around. Is that how you do it? So
A regex is Neil has X's younger brother.
Yeah, so if we have a string here, and that's the regex, which is short for regular expression, Dr. Jeffrey.
No. Oh, very nice. Thank you for that information.
You're welcome. So this matches because it's an exact match, and then as soon as we remove a letter, well, this will still match because this substring is contained in this one. But if I say, does that still work? That still works. And then if these are special characters, say the beginning and the end, so that fails to match because it's now got to be the exact match. And then the other thing we want to do is we want it to be a digit. I think that's how you do it. So that doesn't match because we've now said it's a digit and SD. So that doesn't match, but as I put a number there, it should match again, yes. And we want 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, so that doesn't match. 1, 2, 3, 4, that matches again. Then we want a slash, but because that slash looks like that slash, it now matches, so that works. And then we need a slash here, and it works. And then we need another 2 days, 2 numbers, and then another slash, and then another 2 numbers.
This is good stuff. This is what the people tune in for.
Now I'm lost on my slashes. I need another one. No, that one? They're going the wrong way. I need that one and then that one. No, that one and then that one. and then another 2 slashes. Is this right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that match? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So this is... So this is the regex. So if you pass me a number, we need that to match. So I think that should work. V.match is not a function. Right. Okay. So if I put an invalid now, no, this doesn't work. What's the value for today? That. Does today match that? Yes. So we just want to say length is greater than 0 or something. But no, it's saying it doesn't. V don't match. So I don't understand. It says put in a function and it should work. So we're back to the debugger. What is the value? Can you tell me? When we execute that, it's matched that. What's the value of V? V is an input. V dot value, I think we want to do. So if the value, so this is really the input. And if the input dot value matches, yeah. Okay, so back to what I originally had, I think. It can be as simple as just that. Yeah, so that worked. Now when I delete a character, it stays as its old value, and then when I type the new value, the new date. Okay. So we use the validate method there to make sure we only accept things of the right form. Okay,
nice.
scratch and
solid debugging.
How are we doing for time? I've got a message from our special guest.
Yes.
Is she here? Has she joined the video link? Mystic Maria. Are you there, Mystic Maria? Have you joined the video link I sent you?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, there you are. Ah, you've appeared.
Hey.
Right. Somewhere I guess you're on top of each other in the screen. Let me see if I can. Okay. Mystic Maria, what are you going to do for us today?
Hello.
You don't need to be so formal.
So I was thinking maybe we should do a tarot reading for the future.
NT Hits is here.
Oh, NT Hits is here as well. Oh, excellent. All of our best viewers are in.
We're doing a tarot reading.
We'll shuffle the cards.
A tarot reading for the future of the calendar.
I can hear the voices 3 and 4 times. Is that how everyone is listening to that?
It's my own echo from your mic.
Okay.
That's ruined the illusion of Yes. Wait a minute, that wall's a very similar colour.
Okay, let's shuffle the cards. How are we gonna do this? Is I'm going to put the cards in 3. I'll put them together, and then somehow we have to. You guys have to choose. You have to tell me to stop. I can do like this, and you say stop.
Stop.
Okay.
What does this card represent?
The future of the fairy calendar.
Oh, we did. What kind of reading?
Oh, one card spread.
2, 3. Oh, one card spreads.
One card, yes, the answer. It's a good card, I can see it.
It's all on this.
Okay. Drum roll.
Oh, the moon. Oh, no, the sun.
The sun.
The sun. Oh, very nice.
What does that represent?
Walk us through
The
the sun.
So that's my personal interpretation. It might not be how everyone explains it, but how I think of it is like the sun is such a strong power that warms everyone, and those two people are standing there enjoying all the sun and the warmth. So, for how I understand it is that the calendar is enjoying listening to it. And
You're cutting out a bit there. Is your... Can you
Make
miss
your-
your...
make your microphone mute.
I'll shut up then. Wait, not immediate.
Yeah, now it's much better. Okay, so the way I think of it is that the calendar will be so refreshing and so warm to people that people will be able to accept it and like it. It won't be something that people reject. Who can reject the sun, a new idea, a new power?
Yes. And their lives will orbit around it.
And it's able to restart structures and build new towns, and so it's spread. People can make ideas from it. They can be inspired by it.
That's good. That's a positive. That's a positive card.
It's it's a really good card. I don't know if other people have other explanations of it. But I feel like also you can see like it's like a cabal. It's like it's creating love and happiness.
It says online optimism and positivity and fulfillment.
It's a very good future then. It's a big idea.
That's good. I think that's the general vibe of this show as well. It's why people would tune in. Sometimes people tune in for a young naked child sitting on top of a calm white horse. But usually it is for positivity and good vibes.
Okay. Can I turn my mic on now? Yes. Yes. Wow. Thank you, Mystic Maria.
Thank you, Mr. Maria.
Good luck.
The sun, that's a positive omen.
That is a good omen. There we go. In the spirit. innocence and purity, all the good things. Not, though, notably financial success.
There's more to life than
No
financial
coins,
success.
no.
More to life, that's true. We're trying to turn time into art rather than time as money. So.
But sometimes coins come after everyone is inspired.
Let's hope so.
Good luck.
Just people, just start downloading the calendar, joining in. That's more than enough fun for us. People can make a little bit of art every day. That would be nice. Yeah. In fact, I got a couple of the limericks I've been doing for this season. We did a couple of limericks.
Shoot, yeah.
These were the last 2 days, I think. So I've been doing. There'll be 60 limericks when I'm finished, all about the nature of time and such like. The first one goes: some people say time you can kill, while others feel time standing still. But it seems to me that ultimately time is a vessel you fill. That's nice, isn't it? That's a good one. And I like this one as well. A psychonaut was once sent to investigate the events, but when he returned, the research team learned his mind had been totally bent.
Very nice.
Very nice. Sounds like a little story in the form of a limerick.
Could be seen as pro drugs.
Could be read that way. But I think psychonaut is maybe a broader category. You could take what the philosopher called, the Deleuze called, an intensive journey of the mind without the need for any mind-altering substances. Pure thought might take you to that place.
Very good.
But drugs are quicker.
Okay.
Obviously. So, where are we at then? Do we have any other bugs?
Well, let's see the main site. Like, it takes a little while to propagate. Is it working here? No, it's not working. Oh no, I've got to reload it. Reload. Rewind. Let's see if it works. Yeah! 2023, no date. I mean, it doesn't work on 2024. Yeah, there we go. Yes.
Yeah, so so I'm going to have to put in a few years going forward. So our users will not be able to, as yet, won't be able to go backwards.
Yeah, it's also excessively wide if you have a widescreen thing. Monitor. So, oh, Maria's joined the chat. Oh, I think we might have hit our 5 now. Me, you, Stargrove, NT hits, and Maria. I think we've hit 5. I think that badge is ours.
Well done, everyone. Excellent teamwork.
Yeah, so obviously we need to fix the layout a bit, but yeah, our immediate bugs are fixed. What do we want to do next?
So we've still got time on this episode. So you were talking last time. You had an idea for the tarot images.
For the what images?
For the tarot images.
Yeah, we could do tarot images, or we could make it installable. Which will...
I think let's get all of our images and stuff up before we make it installable. We don't want people installing an unfinished app.
Okay, sure. Okay, so actually in our prototype, the images did work. So I think it's more of some bug has occurred. So, oh no, wait a minute. We got it from file attachment URL. Where's the file attachments? Did I?
Excuse me.
which for WO2, where does that come from? I don't even know where that is. Ah, wait a minute, it's lowercase. Wait a minute, that's the clue. Ah, it's imported from here, from the tarot utils. So I think this is what's missing. This is another instance of we haven't materialized this variable. And I think we don't actually need to do anything clever. If we just reference it, but then assign it to undefined. That won't affect anything there, but now that should get materialized in the notebook. So I think that's all we need to do. So if I refresh that now, and then fast forward to when we've got tarot. Didn't work. Is that because we don't have tarot in the... Have we got tarot everywhere? Where was it? Fairy dog calendar. Because we called it the Five of Cups.
Right, so how does it want it written then? For that to
yeah, okay, so this isn't really a problem. It's, yeah, no, it never worked on this page either. Yeah, so the tarot correspondence is missing. No, it's fine, we can figure this out. So when we say 9 of Wands, it should be converted to whatever format this was, which was like wands02.jpg. Luckily, you've got no major arcana, so that mildly keeps things simple. But we've got to convert between the name and the file attachment. Oh, these are tricky. So we've got one here, 9 of Wands. So let's just figure out how to do this. So if we go 9, are they all in that format of something? They're all something. Number of suit.
Yeah.
So if we split it on the phrase space of space, then we have 9 wands. So this is so we could call this value suit equals that. Let's just do it like that. Return value. So we'll create an assignment. Yeah. Not return. Yeah, 9. Right, and then for each of the possible things, so we go WO2 means the 2 of wands. So we need to map it to a number. So we have a lookup table. So if its value was 9, we would map it to 09, the string 09. And then this is the value lookup. So we take the value lookup, plug in the value, and now that says 09. Similarly, we've got the suit lookup, and then if it's, what was it, wands, we would put it to W.
Lowercase w.
Yeah. And so the thing we want to look up is the suit lookup indexed by the suit. So that's now W09. Yeah, and then we just need. This is where, like, I could spend ages typing it. ChatGPT's great at this. I have this function for looking up for mapping tarot strings to file name. Please complete all the suits, please. So I start it, I start the pattern, and then it can do the boring bit where it just fills it out, like, and it's got ace correctly. I freaking love ChatGPT sometimes. So it's called it get file name. I wouldn't call it that, but okay. So back to our notebook. So does that still work? So if we go get file name for the 9 of wands, we expect that to be W09, right? And what were the other? Yeah, that's enough. So get tarot file name. Okay, so I think that's complete. And then where was the bit where it's in the CMS section? Oh my god. Fairy.cms, there we are. So convert to details. For the tarot, we had the tarot name. Is that the only column we have? We only have, oh no, we have flavor. Yeah, the tarot name needs to be converted to probably, we called everything else image icon. So it'll be the image icon. The URL is file attachments. Get tarot, get, what's it called? It's here, get tarot. I don't know why it's not filling out the name properly. Get tarot file name based on its name. I think we're missing a .jpeg. Get file name .url. Whacking and await maybe. Why is it got an error?
Unexpected token.
Right, I've forgotten how that bit's supposed to work. So the tarot card, we have to await the, oh, we do have to await. I've lost it again. Where was it? Convert to details. So tarot goes await file attachments, tarot name .jpg URL. If I don't include why is it cannot read undefined. I have to debug this. The CMS row is tarot name was blank. Okay, so if it's blank, we can't do anything. that makes sense. So that has to be not null and that. Okay, so it's still throwing an error. Does it work though in the place it's supposed to work? No, cannot read URL. Let me have a look at this again. It might be. Blah blah blah. M19, M20 cups. Ones. Are we missing some? No. This is fine. So I think sometimes this might look up might not be working. So maybe that's important as well. So that has to work and then that has to work. Unexpected token. Okay. I think it's running now. Let's just have a look. Okay, that's running. Has it displayed a tarot? No. And that is because we didn't await this. So we need to await this, and then this becomes an await. Sorry, async function. And then that works. Does this bit still work? This bit still works, but it's still not finding. The focus data is tarot, image icon, undefined. We're not out the woods yet.
No, well, we do it by the end of the episode.
It's got the name, the thing's undefined, so why is it not finding this?
It's good. The show is following a classic story circle structure. We started off well. Now we're in the difficult halfway mark, second act, and by the end, it'll all come back together. We will return to the beginning.
We've not failed yet, have we? It's always resolved itself so far. Okay, so we're gonna step through this one at a time, and see exactly why that one didn't work. I can imagine some don't work, but okay, so we step into it when this debugger. What's going on? Why isn't that? Is it doing it lots of times? Okay, well anyway, it carried on. So the CMS row it's got the 9 of wands. That's what we expect, and then this expression is evaluating to null for some reason. So I think we'll go into the thingy. So is tarot name is 9 of wands, yes. That's what we expected. And then is this get tarot file name, that's the thing we just wrote. Does that convert properly? Ah! It says undefined 09. So that's weird. I thought we just confirmed that worked. CMS row tarot name worked. the thingy is correct. It's when it goes into it, for some reason, it's not finding maybe 9. I don't know. 9 of. Let's step a bit more and let's see what happens. Can I continue to here? Can I step into that? Ah, here we are. So here's our logic. We split it into the suit of 9. Oh, the suit has got 1s on. Ah, we passed the .jpeg in, so it's ended up all messed up. Right? Okay, that's clear. Clear as day. We put the mistake here. We need to just pass in the name. And it's there I wanted the thing. I don't, oh, and then we broke that bit and putting the debugger there. Oh, it's still not doing it. Close.
You can almost taste the taro image. It's so close.
Yeah, it's teasing us. What have we got? The 9 of Wands? What is the 9 of Wands? Was this to be expected? Oh yeah, look. Is it a blind man? Injured man clutching a wand. He is weary and worn.
By all of his coding.
Of course it was a problem. Okay, so let's see if we can catch that 9 of Wands coming in again. So CMS row. Actually, I don't want that one there. Can we run it a bit more? Yes, convert to details. No, not convert to details. I want not that function. All the problems were in here. So put the debugger in there. So what came in? 901.jpg again. I thought I just changed that. Maybe we forgot to execute it, so it didn't actually update. Let me try again. Oh, wait a minute, we've got another one here. Okay, we had the same bug in 2 places.
Hey! Look at that.
Exhaustion and fatigue.
Shall we do a little test on another date? Just
well, let's see if it loads here. So at the moment it's not. If I refresh. Oh yeah, we've got to move it forward to 25. Exhaustion and fatigue. Okay. Try another date. I'll increment this by 1. Overburdened, overwhelmed. Wow. It's so much better with images, isn't it?
very nice. That's coming on. I was just wondering for a sec. I forgot. I was wondering why we don't have the planets or Quintus because I've got to change them to file. And then we'll have those as well.
What did you do? You just unplugged yourself or something? There was a lot of clicking and then now you sound funny. Have you got headphones?
I've got headphones today.
Okay. I think you should probably use your normal speaker.
I should be on my normal speaker.
What's all the clicking then? Now I can't hear anything. Can't hear anything. Still can't hear anything. I think the clicking was some terminal failure going on. I can see you laughing. We get the idea. I can imagine what you were saying anyway. Still can't hear you. Unless anyone else can hear him. I don't think anyone can hear you. If you can hear Scott, message. Still can't hear you. Okay. Well, looks like I'll be going into improv mode again. Technical difficulties. There we go. Don't fix what ain't broken. The echoing was fine. Yeah, Starcrow can't hear you. No one can hear you. You just... I'm not going to keep telling you I can't hear you. Just, I'll tell you when I can hear you. Okay, so... Yeah, so we got the images working. He cannot fix it. Can't you just change to your normal, like, system mic? Like how you normally had it? It'll be an icon in the top there or something. Yeah, you can just talk in the stream chat, maybe. It's only got like about a 10-second delay. Okay, so what should we do next? So to be an app, it has to be installable. That's gonna take ages to develop, is making it installable. I think we'll just wrap it up there actually, because the next thing's gonna be another long one. We'll call it for a day. Hopefully Scott fixes his IT in the meantime. Okay, thanks everyone. Great stream. Talk to you. See you on Thursday. Goodbye!